Well, it's been a half an hour. Still draining. Like I said, if I pull it all the way, it's like 10 minutes. Whatever, I never timed it. It's pretty quick. Ruddies are still in the water. But you can see the muck that's in here. We'll see how the bottom is when I get it down that far. But there's some algae and muck a little bit. Whoa. I swear, all these snails are right as pipe. I feel stuff under my feet. Could be rocks. There are rocks in here too. So now I'm just gonna open this thing up, let it drain. There, now it won't take long. I'm past the leak of my waders. Go on, Ruddies, you can do it. Yeah, divers can't just jump up and fly. What about you guys? You could stay there for now. Oh, you guys are gonna all come back. I'm draining it. You can't be in here. I gotta clean it. You just got out. Now you're getting back in? It's actually not as bad as I thought so far. I see one snail shell right there. I don't know if it's got a snail in it or not. Let's see. Looks like it does. Oh, it's getting sludgy there now. So I don't want to walk around too much here. I don't want to crush a bunch of snails. Then I have to go find more. Again, I'm not sure, but I think some of them might have gotten eaten. Yeah, you can see a little bit going down the drain. You can see that. So this water's been through 2 molts too. They're just getting done with their second molt on this water change. So I'm dealing with feathers, all kinds of stuff. Oh, it's almost drained out now. I see snail. Here's one right here. See, these are big snails. Another one right here. Another one here. I'm going to just throw these in a bucket. See what I can dig up out of here for snail. Oh yeah, there's still. Here's a smaller one. See, I got some little ones too. Another small one. Another big one. I have no idea how many we threw in here, but it was a bunch. I know they're still alive because they're closed up. Probably because I was disturbing them. If they were dead, they'd be sticking out and empty. So I'm probably not going to put them in right away. I'll let this water dechlorinate a couple days. Figured I'd throw them in this bucket for now. with this water. Not as bad as I thought in here. See if you can see how much muck there is. You can see my boot. There's some. Not terrible. Nowhere near what I thought. But the more I learn the system on this filter system and everything, the more I'll know how much I can handle. All right, guys, I'm going to clean it all up. So I'm going to just take my scrubby, these little Home Depot scrubbies. I give it a quick scrub, hose it out, and that's it.